Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your purchase on Facebook Marketplace. Alright, if you bought something on Facebook Marketplace and you are trying to find your order, I will show you exact where to see your purchase using just your iPhone. First, open the Facebook app, tap the menu button in the bottom right, tap the Marketplace, at the top, tap your account. Now tap your order or purchases. This is where all your marketplace purchase shows up. You will see item, you order status, shipping update, payment details. Tap on any order to see your information. Inside the order you can track shipping, message the seller, report a problem. If you don't see your purchase here, check. If the item was local pickup, it may only appear in your message, not as an official order. If you paid outside Facebook like Cash or Cash App, it won't show as a purchase in order. Also check the you are logged in correct Facebook account. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.